It's the doctor, okay? Please. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. I'm Xavier, and today we're gonna be watching Doctor Who. The title of the episode is Rogue, and so last time we were in Fine Time, and it was Dot and Bubble was the name of the episode, and so that episode was about like social media and echo chambers and being trapped in an echo chamber. And this time the echo chamber was about white supremacy and racism and being that you believe that you were like superior to other kinds of people, and so you won't accept their help unless it's like a life and death situation. And even after that you won't change your mind, you just keep being in your bubble and view interacting with them face to face or something as like contagious or whatever, you know. So that was that episode. So that game enjoyed a lot of discussion, and also around that we see that Susan Twist kept appearing in episode, and I've seen some theories about what's been going on because the preview for this episode said it's something like Bridgerton, and so I'm thinking, is the Doctor in like a TV show? And of course, the Doctor Who is a TV show, but is this entire season like a TV show type of thing? Because I've seen some theories about like, I don't remember the name of the villain, but they mentioned a classic Who villain. Didn't appear in other stories, but they control like fiction or something like that, and so the potential this is like the toy maker, and this guy like RTD is bringing back classical villains, and so in bringing back these classical villains is it that they are everything's connected and stuff like that. So Susan Twist is like part of, she's either the, I mean, she's like this villain captured through a time and just watching up on the Doctor, and like Ruby is a physical manifestation of like a child of this person or this villain or whatever, you know. And so everything's gonna be real at the end, and there's everything's like a different episodes of like different various TV shows or whatever, you know. But it's like the Bridgerton, and then what was the episode? I don't remember the episode, but but everything's kind of cool, like babies and children and abandonment and all that. And then this episode like Bridgerton, a TV show and everything like that. And then the episode with the Doctor, that was like a kind of like a horror show or whatever, everything, you know. So you wonder, could be. I guess we'll find out. So the synopsis for the episode says, in 1813, the Doctor's life is about to be changed by a bounty hunter named Rogue. And that's the title of the episode. 1813 Bridgerton. Let's see what that's about. Let's go.
Lord Bottom, you are a rake, a cad. You dishonoured my sister.
Lord Gavin, remind me, to which dishonouring are you referring? The one in the kitchen? In your study? In the stables?
You will marry her, sir.
I will do no such thing.
Oh, Anthony and the Duke.
Wow. You really are wonderfully bad, aren't you? You're so dull. I'd rather be you.
What? Is he gonna... Oh, interesting.
Be the bad one.
Okay, that was an interesting cold open. So we get to see that the villain just like absorbs, I guess, kind of the appearance and stuff of a person, I guess.
Oh my, Bridgerton! How is this my actual dream?
It's brilliant, isn't it?
I don't know these moves.
Psychic earrings, choreography beamed into your motor system, tap twice to choose your moves. It's like instant strictly.
Oh, interesting. Psychic errands.
To battle mode.
Right. Marvellous.
Okay.
Lady Ruby Sunday of the Notting Hill Estate.
Interesting. Sonar interference. Try not get engaged or accidentally invent tarmac. 1902 got away from me. Okay, go.
Okay, weird. Wait, what is tarmac again? I need to look up that up. It sounds familiar, but I need to look it up.
Lord Barton approaches.
Oh, that's a tall glass of heartbreak. Oh.
You should learn to be admired in silence.
Yeah. Well, if you spoke to me and the girls like that on a Friday night down at the spinning wheel, then we'd rip you a new one, mate.
Okay.
The Duke's late, Mother. Her eyes still follow me about the room. Constant judgment.
Oh, that is the Susan Twist. Interesting.
Good vantage point. Keeping an eye out on the exits. Like you're expecting trouble.
I hate to say it. I hope I don't sound ridiculous. I don't know who this man is. I mean, he could be walking down the street. I wouldn't know a thing. Sorry to this man.
Donnie, I'm here for fun.
Then go and pursue your fast side pleasures and leave me alone.
Oh. Hey, rude.
Rogue.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, the Bounty Hunter. Okay.
Is the doctor?
Just rogue.
Oh, he's not from. Oh, okay. He's not from here. Okay, cool.
I think you and I should go outside.
He's probably looking for the
Fast mover. Okay.
the guy who can change bodies and stuff.
I'll have you sacked, woman. You'll not sour my evening. People look to me as an arbiter of taste.
What? In that dress?
Dare you?
Maybe it will look better on me.
Emily, please.
Oh. Okay, so that's what they look like. I see. Okay.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to, interrupt.
If the man refuses to marry the lady, she will no longer be acceptable to polite society.
Oh, this is so Bridgerton.
So there's one thing I have to ask. Is that a shoe?
I suggest look for the other shoe.
Over there. A shoe and a leg. Oh no.
A Lego?
Oh man. Oh.
Oh, okay.
You didn't even flinch.
Because it's obvious. This is a murder far beyond the technology of planet Earth.
Yes, it is.
Be done by someone brilliant.
And monstrous.
And ruthless.
Contemptible.
You. No, you.
No, not either of you. Neither of you.
You.
Neither of you. Okay. Pay attention. Neither of you.
Cushy. I like it. Yeah, okay, maybe don't use it a lot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Drop the act, Doc. There's a shoulder at work on this planet, and I've been paid good money to find you.
Okay, firstly, Doc. No thank you, sir, please.
It's the doctor. Okay, please. Okay, that kind of cloaked. Alright.
Now that's a ship.
Nice costume. Tight fit.
Of course, I should have scented you. I wanted to be her next.
Too slow, love. Lady Ruby Sunday. She just seems so different.
Okay, they're plotting a Ruby. For what purposes? I guess we'll find out.
It's a trap.
It's a trap!
Triform on.
Triform activated.
Oh, I see. How about Triform off?
Oh, whoops.
Triform off?
Did not work.
just can't turn it off until it's charged, and once it's charged, I press send.
Oh, interesting.
Did you get your name from Dungeons and Dragons?
Roll for insight.
It says that you're wired for sound.
Now this is a surprise. Oh, I love this.
Now, have your fun, Doctor. You've got very little time left. Deep scanner confirmed. Shapeshifter.
Transport gate charging. Press send.
Well, there is kind of a shapeshifter, in a sense.
Press send. Press send.
Wait, does...
Something much older and far more powerful. I'm a lord of time from the lost and fallen planet of Gallifrey. Let me go, bounty hunter. We have work to do.
Wow.
Oh, I've never seen some of those faces before. I need to look at that later, but I haven't seen some of those faces before. Some of those are new. Okay, so the only actual new faces was from the Shalka Doctor, but I actually did not recognize Joe Martin's Fugitive Doctor. So my bad there, but so the only new face I've learned about subsequently is something called the Shalka Doctor. Intriguing.
It may not be love, but perhaps a kindly smile at dinner. And then a shared grave. Oh.
Well, that sounds fun. Yay!
To be climbed.
Oh my god!
It's bigger on the inside.
With me and you'll be
In a world of pure imagination.
Take a look and you'll see into your imagination.
Willy Wonka.
Instead, we will transport it to a random, barren dimension, no one to hurt, no way back.
okay.
Decent compromise, I guess.
You lost someone.
How'd you know that?
Because I know.
What about you?
He's lost a lot of people.
I lost everyone.
Yeah.
Why keep going?
Because we have to. We have to live each day because they can't.
Would you travel with me?
That is quite an argument.
The doctor wouldn't do that.
Doctor, there's a dead body upstairs. It's been drained. Someone or something has killed her.
Oh, you know. Emily, 1813, the Duchess, a shape-shifting shoulder. Okay?
I know the word okay.
That's so...
The emotion, oh man, it's cosplay. All of this, the children is cosplay.
Wait, so you mean it's literally dressing up and playing at Bridgerton?
Could be. I mean, those TV signals beam out across the stars.
What are these TV signals?
Okay, interesting.
No time.
Yeah, no time for that. That's a lot.
We need to have a big fight so we can storm out.
That was interesting with the whole lights dimming and all that. I would see that's a classic tropey lighting thing.
You, my lord!
Oh, this is new.
You cat!
Except you go that way.
That was quite dramatic a scene. I get it.
Oh, my lord! Oh, it's him. It's not the Duchess. What is he?
It's both of them, actually.
Because there's only one shoulder, yeah?
Oh! That one's a shoulder too! Wait, oh, wait! It's more than... It's for them.
Now find them!
That should get them out of hiding.
And we can start wars with the French and the Spanish and the Portuguese and everyone who doesn't look British.
We're gonna cosplay this planet to death.
Okay. Interesting.
A little bit of ziz.
And a zazz.
Uncle Tom.
Okay. Alright.
You gotta get it right first time.
Is Ro gonna sacrifice himself to make sure it works? I don't know. I think that might be how this happens.
Risking it all for a secret love. But you are wild.
Oh.
Brave and rude.
Wait, is she one of them?
A Ruby Sunday. I want to be you.
Okay. What?
How does it feel to be Lady Ruby?
Delicious.
I'm sorry. They call her.
Good on you.
Wow.
You keep her safe? I will keep her safe. I promise.
And he failed. How are they gonna... How are they gonna fix that? How is the doctor gonna fix Ruby not being alive?
They have a lifespan of 600 years.
Good. It's a long time to suffer.
In the sight of the unholy, oh, whatever, etc. Praise be. The marriage of Lord Barton to Miss Ruby. I object!
I need the other two pieces. I wonder where they are. Oh.
Oh wait, is that actually Ruby?
No. My mum's called Carla and my grand's called Sherry and it snows when I was born and we met Space Babies and I'm really, really sorry.
Oh boy, oops.
I cosplayed. My poker face. They're doing the music like Bridgerton, where the instrumental playing instead of the song.
Try from off!
You can't turn it off, Doctor.
Press the button. It will send Ruby!
No, Doctor, it's fine.
No!
If you don't send, the troller will escape, and Ruby dies anyway. Can you lose your friend to save the world?
Oh no.
Well, this is something different.
Find me.
Okay. Being honest, I didn't have that much of a connection with him. Gotta say.
I'm sorry.
Anyway, it is what it is, so onwards. Upwards, new horizons, moving on.
Okay, can you just shut up a second?
It's good to have you back, Ruby.
Oh, well, at least he got to save that, so. Good for him.
Everywhere I land, a woman appears.
In every dream I'm there.
She doesn't know why, but she remembered them.
Doctor, there's something wrong.
Whatever it is, here it comes.
Alright, answers. Alright, so that was Rogue. Didn't love it, didn't hate it, it was okay. It was I don't know, I kind of expected more, but it was mostly just kind of like, okay, so the villains weren't fine, but I don't know, that kind of short-paced romance and everything, I don't know, didn't really hit me. Kind of saying, and not for what you think would be the obvious, just I don't know, the Doctor being in deep in love or internet that from that short a time span, I don't really buy it per se. Okay, I can buy the Doctor like fancying a person, but it's usually just kind of like flirting and all of that, and then but it's nothing really serious unless it's like say River. River is the only one it's been like serious with, and the human Doctor and Rose. But yeah, it's really only been like serious with like River, and so we it's kind of hard to parse that Doctor with this Doctor. Who's like in such deep fields so quickly. It was like an hour or two with this person, and then it's like deep in with the feelings and everything. It just doesn't track. I don't know. I don't know if they kept it that simply like flirting and everything, but the guy is still um sacrificing because he's really committed to the committed to being this bounty hunter and getting his target because he really wants to get rid of the shoulder, which actually was his motivation. Then yeah, but I'm not really buying the whole. Well, it feels kind of like love, but I don't really buy it because I don't know. Just didn't hit because the Doctor isn't really in love unless it's like we see it as like a prolonged thing for us to buy that the Doctor is actually in love. Yeah, like I was saying with Ruby and that Rose, it's been like over the course of multiple episodes that we see, oh right, the Doctor really cares about this person. But the past instances, have we ever seen the Doctor like just like flirting all kinds of people, aliens, guys, girls, everything, and it's just okay, yeah, I get that, but I don't know, the emotion was played up a bit too much in terms of it being that for me to hit. So it kind of just didn't hit. And so I'm saying it didn't hit a lot, but I'm just really trying to say it didn't hit. So if they kept it at even the kiss or whatever, yeah, but like the Doctor being this emotionally tied, nah. So them doing all of that. No. Anyway, but so overall plot of the episode, the villains were fine. Could they have done a bit more with them? I think so. I like the twist that there was actually 5 of them, and that the Emily Beckett person was actually one of them. So that's cool. I can kind of buy it, you know. Wait, were they just really cosplaying the younger guy Cholder and her, the Emily Cholder? They're really just cosplaying when they're alone in that library place. Oh, interesting. Interesting. So they're really just like deep cosplayers, and this, I think this is like a nod to like the people who are at the conventions who play the Doctor and everything, and like the companions. I think, is that what they're going for here? I think so. If so, okay, all right, I get that. And then, like I said, with the Bridgerton aspect, okay, so they're really, the Bridgerton thing was only from like Ruby, where, and it's in her her view of the world. It's like Bridgerton, so it wasn't really like a TV show type thing. Okay, so people might be wrong there, but there is something more about Ruby. Okay, and I like that Ruby was clever enough because, but see, part of the theories I've seen is that Ruby's like the perfect companion sort of thing, and so her remembering quickly about the earrings and that there's a battle mode. Smart, clever, perfect companion vibes on that thing. So something to consider. But yeah, so I buy that she was able to, because what we've seen of Ruby so far, she gives off those kind of vibes that she think of that, and so that's part of what we did with the episode where it was just a Doctor Light episode, and it was just Ruby mainly. The Doctor was in there for like 5 minutes. It was mainly a Ruby centric episode. It was showing us how capable Ruby is on her own, and so in this situation we can buy that she thought of it quickly and stuff like that, because we see how she used what she knows, what she remembers. She's quick thinking. She figured it out for getting rid of Roger Ap William. So thinking about it, yeah, she, even though that is like Ruby still kind of retains those memories, like a semi-consciousness, subconscious type of thing. Cause she remembered, she was saying that she remembered that she's been to Rails 3 times, and also she remembered seeing the face from Susan Twist's face from that episode also. So we can buy it because she retains those kind of memories, and so that whole experience is embedded throughout her, and so she can call back on it in a moment of panic, in a fight or flight type of situation. So she used that here, and so yeah, I can buy it. I can buy it. I dig it. I dig it. It makes sense when you consider everything in. So yeah, so overall, like I was saying, is there anything really to say about this episode? Because this episode is mainly about the Doctor's romance and the shoulders. Bridget aspect didn't really play a part in it. It was just really like a coloring, a theme for the episode, and it was just like Ruby's, how she can relate to us, and how we, the audience, should relate to this episode as, oh, like, because Bridgerton is very popular, and so people can relate Bridgerton to this episode, and so Ruby is our audience surrogate. That's what the companions are. They're the audience surrogates and stuff like that. So, okay. This episode is really about the doctor romance, the shoulders, Ruby, and her cleverness and stuff like that. There was really an ending episode, but I really liked the. I will say to end this off, I liked so the relationship between the Doctor and Rogue, that was well done for the most part. But like I said, I didn't really like that. I didn't really get that there was like. But like I said, I didn't really think that there were like deep feelings between them. I didn't get that. No, it's like okay, it's kind of like they like each other, but it's not like because that's what the episode gave me. Just like oh, they are feeling each other. Okay, I got that from the episode, but I didn't really get the deep feelings. So I will credit episode the writing for building that connection between them. We saw the connection. They fancied each other. But it was just like a Love Island type thing. Where you're like the first week of Love Island. That's what it was giving me. It's like the first week of Love Island type of relationship. Some surface level. So after being this kind of broken up and heartbroken and all that, nah. Just but I did like that Ruby comforted the Doctor at the end. And that's within her character so far that we've seen. And so I really appreciate that. Because the Doctor really just moved on and done nothing with it. And so that's just how the past Doctors would have been. But this Doctor, he was initially hesitant and he was like, oh, let me move on and everything, we just gotta move on and everything. But Doctor accepted the embrace. He accepted the commiserations. That's the right word? Yeah. So growth, yes. So pick up that. But overall episode didn't really feel like it fulfilled its potential for me. Good setup. They built some good relationships and everything, but I don't know, just didn't wrap all the way right around to produce a cohesive story for me. So I don't know. I felt they could have done better. I just felt they could have done better with this. Just I don't know. But right now, those are my thoughts. What say you? Goodbye.